Right, in this video you're going to see how to add a transition to make the video more interesting for the viewer. At the end of the video you've got a playlist to show you how to learn more about CapCut for PC. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So in this video I'm going from the inside to outside. So I want a suitable transition for that. So here I'm going from the summer house, orangery or whatever it is, into the garden. So if I go up to transition and I type in sunshine, you've got these transitions here. You've got the premium ones with the diamonds on. So if I drag that down to there, and then I can adjust it here. So you got the sunshine as you walk into the garden.